Hello, Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please check it out and press subscribe, Dawn's Inspirations. And also please press like on my Facebook page, again, Dawn's Inspirations, for my crafty goings on the big World Wide Web. The other day I shared with you an alternative page layout for your size 8 memory books that I bring you from Pink Frog. The kits are available there. Okay, I'll leave all the links below. So this is the alternative page that gives you two pockets. Gives you a larger pocket and a smaller pocket, but the smaller pocket is still a good size with this size 8 memory book to hold two 6x4 photographs. And with these pockets you could even put extra photo mats in if you wish. So let me share how you're going to do this. So you're going to get your memory book kit from Pink Frog, and this is the inches version. So you're going to do two score lines that are 2 3/4 inches and 7 3/4 inches. So this is the card that comes in your memory book kit. So this is the 8x8 memory book kit. So this is 20 centimeters by 40 centimeters, but I'm showing you the score lines in inches so you can make your own. So we've got the 2 3/4, so we're going to just burnish that score line. And then you concertina the other one back, which was 7 3/4, to give you your alternative page. I'm then going on with red line tape. I'm using 6mm here from Pink Frog, and you're going to put tape here on the inside. So you're going to put a strip there at the top and a strip here at the bottom. And when I add my red line tape, you know I always like to burnish it to push the glue into the fibres of the paper. And you'll see the red line tape change colour as you do this. You're then going to fold that back, and then on this flap you're going to do your other two little bits of red line tape for the smaller pocket. So we'll add that onto there and that onto there. Okay, and again we will burnish. Now the next thing I like to do is to actually add my pattern paper or mats, if you like, before I go any further. It's something I just like to do. So the mat size for this in inches would be 7.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches and 7.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches, and then your middle panel needs to be 7.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So you'd add all your mats, and then you would remove your red line tape. So you could stick down your first pocket and then remove your second lot of red line tape to stick down the last two pockets. When you attach this into your book, you're going to do the small pocket. That's the side you're going to attach to the hinge. So then if I bring in the finished one, so this is the smaller pocket attaching to the hinge. Okay, so photo mats I've got in here. So you've got your smaller photo mat to go in your smaller pocket, and that is 6 3/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches, and that fits nicely inside there. And then your larger one is 6 3/4 inches by 7 inches, and that fits nicely into there. So you've got that lovely nice layout look through your book. And that's as easy as it is to do the alternative page fold with the 8x8 memory books from Pink Frog. So I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. Thank you for watching and see you all very soon. Bye for now.